spacious living and dining area. So it has a lot of, so this is your spacious kitchen area. You can see this is your master bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Anushree, and today I'll be giving you your 3 BHK sample flat tour of PAM One Time Edition by PAM Infrastructure located at Vasai, West Mumbai. As you can see, I'm standing at the actual location. Right behind me is the actual sales office. And just in front of that, you'll be having your actual tower. Now let me show you your neighborhood. So this is your main entrance. So the road on the right hand side takes you to the JN road and the left hand side takes you to the MG road. But before moving further, let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform where the home buyers are directly connected to the developers, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do one single inquiry, your contact number is directly shared with the multiple brokers, which will lead to endless calling. But in Housey, you are directly connected to the developers. Because in Housey, listing is done by builders and not brokers. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home directly with Housey. This project is being developed on 3 acres of land parcel featuring 1 tower, ground plus 36 floors, having 2 BHK, 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies with duplex option available. Now let's talk about amenities. So here you get 50 plus lifestyle amenities such as kids play area, multi-purpose court, sitting area, senior citizen area, jogging track, swimming pool, banquet hall, party lawn, gymnasium and many more. Now coming to the location part, so this project enjoy one of the most strategic locations, that is opposite to Chimaji Appa ground near ST Depot, Vasai, West Mumbai, with D-Mart 2.8 kilometers, Vasai railway station 15 minutes and Naigaon railway station at just 10 minutes. If you're planning to buy a home in Mumbai, I have a strong recommendation for you. Make sure you watch Housey's Rights of Home Buyers. Many of you home buyers are not really aware of the legal rights. For example, if you pay a token amount to a builder and later decide to cancel the booking, how much money will a builder legally deduct? If after possession you face issues such as wall leakages or construction defect, what are the builder's liability? And most importantly, what are the legal rights do you have as a home buyers? We have explained all the important topics in a very easy to understand manner. So before you buy your home, I have a strong recommend that you must watch this series at least for once. You can find the link to the series in the I button above and also in the description below. Now let me show you your 3 BHK sample flat with a square feet of 1362. So this is your main entrance and you'll be getting your smart lock for your safety purpose. Now as you enter, you'll be getting your foyer area where you can easily set up a small couch for yourself and sit and wear your shoes as well. Now let me show you your spacious living and dining area. So it has a lot of space. So here you can easily set up a huge sofa and just in front of that you'll be getting your TV unit. Now let me show you the best part is you'll be getting your attached balcony from where you'll be getting a sea facing view. You can also create your own green space area and you can attach a small sofa swing as well, as you can see over here. Now let me show you your dining area. So just in front of your living area, you'll be getting your dining area where more than 6 people can easily accommodate over here and you can enjoy your meals with your family. Now let's move on to your kitchen area. So this is your spacious kitchen area. You can see the amount of walkable space you'll be getting over here. You'll be getting a 2-sided parallel platform with the upper cabinet and lower cabinet on both sides. And not just this, you'll be getting attached balcony for your utility purpose where you can easily place up your washing machine. And there is a separate space where you can easily keep your double door refrigerator. Now, diagonally opposite to your kitchen area, you will be getting your common washroom with undisputed tiles and high-end fittings. Now let me show you your other space, but before that you'll be having a lot of space over here where you can keep your huge wardrobe as well, or a cabinet to keep your essential, and also you can create a small mandir ghar over here. Now let me show you your bedroom number 1. So this is your layout. You can see you can convert this space into your dressing table area. You can see over here. So you can create your dressing area, and this is your huge bedroom. After placing a huge bed, there is still ample of space to walk over here, and you can set up your huge wardrobe as well. Along with it, you'll be getting an attached window to it with a glass facade for your ventilation purpose and natural lights. So in entire home, you'll be getting a wetrified tiles, and in your washrooms, you'll be getting anti-skid tiles with high-end fittings. In this bedroom, you'll be also getting an attached washroom. Have a look to it. Now let me show you your second bedroom. So this is your second bedroom. It is totally dedicated for your kids' bedroom. You can see how beautiful it is designed. After placing a huge bed, there is ample of space. So this apartment holds a lot of space, and you'll be getting your attached window again with a French window and a glass facade for your ventilation purpose and natural light. And with this, you can also set up a huge wardrobe over here, as you can see. And at this side, you can create a study table for your toddler. Now let me show you your master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you some key features of Housey. So here's Housey with the actual location tour, sample flat video, actual flat video, pros and cons of the project, payment scheme and EMI schedule, and 360-degree location tour. All these wonderful features are in Housey itself. So register for free and book your free site visits. Now let's move on to your master bedroom. So you can see how beautifully your entire home is designed for your reference. You can create your entire home as per your choice. You can use this as your inspiration. So this is your master bedroom. You can see how spacious it is. You can also keep a small couch over here, and you'll be getting a two-sided dressing table area along with the window with the glass facade for your ventilation purpose and natural light. Now let me show you your other space. So here you'll be getting your walk-in closet. Have a look to it. It has not that space, but it holds a little kind of a space. So you can also create your dressing area over here. Along with it, you'll be getting an attached washroom. So everyone, this was your complete 3 BHK sample flat tour of PAM One Time Edition by PAM Infrastructure, located at Vasai West, Mumbai. If you are looking for more details of this project, click on the link below to download e-brochure and price sheets. And don't forget to follow, like, share, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.